Hello. So my morning routine for inner beauty and outer radiance consists of three things. First is using our massage oils all over my body because I want to lubricate, I want my skin to look nourished and healthy, but I also want to lubricate the internal organs so that my bones are not dry and everything in the body is not dry. It needs to be oiled, just like a car needs to be oiled. So that's the first thing I'll use. I will also use our cleanser and our serum on my skin on a daily basis. The Radiance Mask once a week, the hair oil once a week, but every day our cleanser, just because overnight we build up a lot of toxins on the skin and it does need a cleanse. And what I love about our cleanser, any of you who've used it would know, it takes off everything, leaves the skin really clean, but also leaves it really nourished. So if you suddenly found you didn't even have a moisturizer, your skin is feeling nourished anyway, which is just lovely. And the other thing I would use every day is our Supreme Skin Face Serum. And at night, I use a concentrate with it, depending on which one I need. The other thing I do is I use our massage dome, because the massage dome just lifts my skin without needing anything. It just tones and lifts it. You'll even see the cheekbones. You'll see them, look, instantly lifting just by my using that, just for literally a moment. So I do that. I use the dome, and I also have our superfoods, but depending on what I'm feeling or what I'm preparing for, because for instance, the ashwagandha, it's not going to work the instant you use it. You'll feel like it is, but it takes a little bit of time. So if I know something is coming up that is going to need me to have more energy or may cause me stress, I'll start using the ashwagandha in preparation for that. I use Triphala because Triphala gets everything in the body moving and is tridoshic. And I use Shatavari because that's the female supplement for anything, be it period pains, be it wanting to get pregnant, be it menopause, anything to do with women's fertility. Shatavari is the go-to herb, so I use that. And it also does energize and de-stress. So those are my everyday non-negotiables. And then there are different ones for the weekend and when I have more time. So which one do you like? I wonder which one you use. I'd love to hear.